BB gang.
It's your girl Shavon, and guys, we are back. A vlog for you guys. We haven't done a vlog in so long, but first and foremost, how have you guys been? It's been a minute since we've talked to y'all, since we've seen y'all, since we've interacted with you all.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year's. If y'all didn't get a chance to read our post, we did post Happy New Year's. So Happy New Year's to you all. I hope you all have a prosperous and successful 2020. So yeah guys, as you all can see, we are driving right now. We are driving. We are currently in traffic. Babe, do you want to tell them what we're doing?
Keep left
yeah,
to I-69 US 59.
So yeah guys, if you all do, maybe some of y'all know, but we just celebrated our 3-year anniversary Monday, January 4th. We've been together for 3 years now. 3 years and what's today? 3 years and 3 days today. We have been together, so we've decided to treat ourselves to a little mini trip. We're not taking planes, we're driving, we're doing a road trip because we've never done a road trip. So we decided, let's just go somewhere small.
Correction, we did a road trip before, but not by ourselves.
Me and him, we've never done a road trip together, and I've always told him, babe, I want to do a road trip. Let's go somewhere, let's do something. So yeah guys, we're taking a road trip. The place that we're going to is called Margaritaville. Maybe some of you don't know, maybe some of you do know, but the place is called Margaritaville. It's in Lake Conroe. I've seen it online. I think I've seen it on TikTok as well, and I actually brought it to Babe's attention. Hey man, you want to go here? He thought it was pretty cool, so let's go here. Let's just do something small for our anniversary. Like, I know with COVID going on and everything, we really can't do anything big. We can't travel anywhere major, but we can do a little something to celebrate us being together for 3 years.
Hour and 30 minutes, not bad.
Hour and 30 minutes, that's good, because
I drove 17 hours before.
I've ridden. Is that how you say it? Ridden. Because I'm not driving that long. I'm not doing it. So yeah guys, we're going to Margaritaville and Lake Conroe. We're also going to be vlogging a little bit down there, so you all will see how the area is. If you all decide you want to take a trip there, you will see through us what it looks like down there. So yeah guys, we only booked for the weekend, so we're going to be staying with 3 days technically. So it's like 4 days 3 nights, I believe. So yeah guys, we just want to do this quick intro real quick, so we'll show y'all a little bit of the road and everything.
Yeah.
Also,
what a way to start out the new year, guys. What a way to bring back the vlog. We're back on the grind, you know.
Back on the grind. A whole month.
So no? I said 2 months. 2 months?
Okay.
Yeah, we missed 2 months, so
2 months. Kind of
miss
November.
vlogging, miss, you know, doing crazy videos, miss making people laugh. So we're back. 2020 is gonna be a grind. I'm telling you, it's gonna be
2021, baby.
Yeah.
Correction. 2021, because 2020 was no good to nobody at all.
No.
2021 will be the year.
2021 is gonna be the year for real. We're gonna grind our ass off. You know, and a lot of different things that we been doing on and off camera. So
yeah.
We're gonna grind, so guys, stay tuned. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, because we want to post a lot this year. You know, we didn't end the year that well because, you know, personal stuff, but we want to post a lot this year. We don't want to miss a month or two. So yeah, if you guys are new, make sure you guys like, subscribe. Happy New Year again, and journey with us.
We'll see y'all when we get we'll show y'all a little bit of
you got something to say?
Oh yeah, also guys, so if some of y'all don't know, maybe some of y'all do, but I have dipped my toe into something new. It's very exciting for me. It's something that I hold dear to my heart or whatever. Well, not or whatever, but something I hold dear to my heart. I actually started my own hair extension collection. So actually the hair that I have in right now is from that collection. So yeah, I will put either here or here. I will put like a little screenshot of like the website and everything. Y'all can follow.
Exit right.
Girl.
Then keep right.
Y'all can follow my social media. I will have it linked in the description below for the business page, and also the website link will also be in the description below. I will give a little bit more details later on it, and you know why I decided to do something like that right now. I'll give a little bit more detail on that a little bit later, but this vlog is you know, just throw that out there. Throw a little sauce on this, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, we'll catch y'all when we come back. So yeah. Guys, we are pulling up to our resort for the weekend. Babe, how do you feel? Good. 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 Oh y'all, look at it. Look at it. What is this? Margaritaville Lake Resort.
In 1,000 feet.
So it looked like people actually live up here in this area too. Oh y'all, look, that's the place over there. Ooh. Dang, it's not zoomed in. Zoom in, son. Big head. How the hell do I zoom in on this? Okay, yeah, there we go. Oh, I know you. Rude. Just rude. This mountain. Oh my gosh, y'all, look. I think these are the cottages I seen online. These are the cottage. This is a bar and grill place. This looks like
at your destination.
We're here. Woo. We are here, guys.
Up top, you know what I mean?
We all the way up on the 17th floor.
Way up there.
Way up there. They know I'm afraid of heights. That's alright, I ain't gonna really be looking down too much.
Let's get it.
It's pretty nice inside.
It's mind your business.
Yes.
Can I come in, please?
What's the password?
Please. That's the password. Oh. You want to spin a show?
You gotta hold it down.
Okay. Drip on them. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, babe.
All right. Hey, baby gang, what's going on with ya? So as y'all can see, we are doing our room tour. We have now arrived at our resort for the weekend. So obviously, as y'all seen coming through the door, it's the door here. On the right side, we have like a little sitting area. Maybe you can come in, take off your shoes, put them here. You just want to chill, hang up your little coat or whatever. Let me see. Maybe or hang your purse. Oh yeah.
Voila.
You just sit here and do all that. You can charge up here. This little button here is for the light. I don't know if y'all seen it. I don't know what that button is for.
Okay, we're gonna stop messing with that.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, that's the button. And as you guys come in, you can't help but see this beautiful thing.
Drip check. Yes, sir.
Well, if y'all like my outfits from Fashion Nova.
Yes,
So yeah,
sir.
we have this big mirror here. Here we have a little lamp. You turn it on like this. Booyah. And then you can just come here, sit, chill on your phone, or you can watch TV. You can do whatever you want to do. You can read a book here, whatever you want to do here. And then coming right here, have this big old.
Big it? Okay, I'm just making sure.
We have this big old table. We can eat here, play board games or whatever here. This is what it's for. And coming over here, y'all can see it.
I'm pretty sure y'all see in the background.
Y'all can see it. So yeah, coming over here, we have a little desk area. I don't know what this is for. We don't know. But yeah, this is a little desk area here. This is a little drawer. You can put your papers, books, or whatever if you stand here.
We won't be using that anyway. So.
We really won't be using it because we only stand here for a weekend. So yeah, here's another lamp. That clearly doesn't work.
The lamp doesn't work.
Okay, well we're not.
Is a bulb in there?
I don't know. I don't know how you work this thing.
Okay, we're gonna leave that.
Yeah, okay. It doesn't work. Here is a little mat or whatever, a chair to do your work, whatever, when to edit some vlogs and stuff. Booyah, you can do that right here.
We got this big little
Here
TV.
is a big old, I think it's that 55-inch TV.
Oh, it is? Okay.
I think so. But yeah, this is the TV here. Coming over here is our little coffee station. This is our little coffee station. They have a Keurig. I've always wanted a Keurig, y'all, so I'm gonna definitely test this out. We have some little drinks here as well. I probably would get
Those drinks?
Yeah, you just put it in there like that, and then push that down, and it's gonna poke it. But I think you gotta put water in the back or something.
Okay.
So yeah, that's a Keurig. It's a condiment kit. I guess it's like sugar and creamer, and then some coffee cups here. This is our little itinerary. So if we want to attend some events or anything, or rent like boats or spas, or like little golf courts or whatever, we just see what's going on around that time. So yeah, guys, this is basically our little coffee station. What is this? Oh, this must be the refrigerator section. Okay. This is the refrigerator here underneath here. So yeah, that's the refrigerator underneath here. This is a safe, so we make a combination of put our stuff in here, and we will only know the combination, so we will only be able to access it.
Boom, bang, boom.
So yeah, guys, that is the front area. I'm getting a little winded. That is the front area. So yeah, guys, if y'all see where we still have our masks on, because we haven't properly sanitized this area. Even though the whole, like the resort, they sanitize it, we still want to take the extra measure and sanitize it. So yeah. So walking back here is where the magic happens, right? Where's the damn light?
God said let there be lights.
What the fuck? We just gonna have to use that one for now, I guess.
How you turn it on?
We just have to use this light for now, I guess. So yeah, this is the bed here. I'm not gonna lay on it yet because I want to spray this as well. They have like little plastic around the remote, so I guess we're gonna keep this on. Sanitize for your wellness, remove from bag. Oh, okay, so we can remove it. because it's sanitized, but we probably still gonna sanitize it ourselves. Here on the back side is a little phone to call downstairs or whatever. Yeah, this is a king size bed. It's pretty. It's alright. It's comfy enough. This is our 55-inch TV we have in here.
Another TV, so we have 2 TVs.
We got 2 TVs, y'all.
Okay.
This is our luggage. This is some little painting that they have or whatever. Now look, one of these damn lights got work today, sir. Okay, well that one works. Hey. So yeah, we got that one, and then we got like a little comfy little couch if we want to sit on the side. You know, we just came in from something and we don't want to get in the bed, so we just sit here. So here, guys, is our view from the room, right?
Spectacular.
It's amazing. We got lake view.
Shit, we got the whole view of everything.
We got the whole
honestly.
view. And then if you pull this little curtain back here,
Yeah.
this is like the little from our section. If they want to watch me on the balcony or whatever. So we haven't even showed y'all the balcony, but that's gonna be last.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's our view from the room. One more thing in here, or 2 more actually. This is our little closet area. Most of this will have my clothes hanging up in it. And I believe they said they have bathrobes, but I'm not sure. I don't know. No, this must be covers or something, huh?
Sorry. I don't know.
Oh, this covers. So when we want to cover up at night, that's covers. Little ironing board, some hangers, this and that. And here, guys,
This bathroom so goddamn big.
we have a bath. Y'all, this is my dream bathroom. This has 2 vanity sets. One for Babe, one for me. I can put all my makeup and stuff over here. He can put all his stuff and stuff over there. And
When we put it on the over here,
huh?
everything will be in my bag.
I'm putting my makeup out because I need to see. And they got like a little mirror. What the fuck? Oh, I gotta get close. I'm getting a little. Can y'all see my skin, my pores? Oh my god. Yes, girl, I can get them eyebrows real good up in there. Look at that little lashes hanging.
Gotcha.
So yeah, guys, that's what that's for.
That's close.
That is close. I need one of those. So this is like touch light, so you just touch it there. I guess. Just turn on.
We gonna leave that shit alone.
Okay. Well, it turned on when I touched it a while ago. So yeah. So yeah, this is the little sink area. This is cabinet space. Like I said, we're not gonna use this unless you're staying here for more than a weekend. This is same thing, cabinet space. This is where the towels and tissue is at. This is where the big towels are at. And guys, let me tell you, this shower though, bruh, this shower, let me get in here. We're gonna rinse it anyway. But this shower, oh, you can't close it? You don't wanna close?
You can't close it?
So we're gonna get the floor wet? That's what we're doing? Okay, whatever, hey, switch on. So yeah, this is some, what is this? Is it supposed to be?
You can't.
Oh, this is shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Okay. I'm saying, what the heck is this? But yeah, guys, they got some shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner.
And that's how I guess on the floor?
Huh? Yeah, I guess so. So I'm gonna turn the shower on. I wanna see. What the hell? Where's it coming out of? Oh. Ooh! That is so cool, y'all. I like it. So that's that. Wait. Okay, that's for that one. What that's for? What they do? What they do?
Nothing.
I guess turn the temperature a different way. It's kind of clicking a little bit.
Nothing coming. Nothing coming.
So we just gotta use that one?
You gotta turn something at the same time. Turn that. And turn the top one.
Oh, that one might be for the shower part. Yep, there you go. There you go.
That's what it would do.
Whatever. So yeah, guys, that's if you want to get your hair a little wet, but me, no. Not me, so. Alright, so yeah, that's that.
Alright.
And so for the last but not least, we're gonna turn these off Cause they pay the light bill, not us. So if you come
Well, we paying them to pay the light bill.
True. So if you're coming out the room and you just wanna, early in the morning, you wanna eat your breakfast somewhere that's really nice and calm and collected, just check out the balcony.
Bing 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 bong.
Check out the balcony, honey.
Look at the view. You don't even have to go outside.
Yes, cause y'all know I'm afraid of heights, so I don't know how we're gonna do this. Now, how the hell? I knew it.
Bruh.
Ooh, boy, it's cold. Oh shit.
Let me hold this camera grip.
But it's cold out there.
Of course. Ooh.
Y'all know I'm afraid of heights, so I'm standing here. But that's the balcony. Everything.
I'm not sure what's those over there. But yeah, it's kind of chilly right now, guys. So
Down there where the pool is at, it's a bar right there. That's the one thing I've been waiting to get to when I came here. Is that bar, but it's cold. So I don't know if we can do it or not.
everything is kind of chilly right now, guys. So right now the pool is probably kind of off because it is cold and the water is gonna be cold.
Ooh.
You feel me?
Cold.
Yes, sir. So yeah, hopefully in the morning tomorrow the temperature will go down a little bit, and then you guys can see us down there somewhere. But yeah, the view is good, man. You know, the view is good. We got people's houses over there. We got tennis court right here. Tennis court. Some waters right there. I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure what this is. And some houses over there. Restaurants. And yeah, it's looking empty right now, but hey, we're gonna make the use of it. So yeah, look at that view, man. Absolutely. Shit.
Alright, get here. Go.
Shit. Okay, so.
Alright, guys. So yeah, that's basically our room tour. That's all we have. It's just something simple, just something for us to celebrate our 3-year anniversary.
3 years and 3 nights.
3 years and 3 nights, y'all. So stay tuned for more videos from us this weekend. We're gonna try our best to you know, give y'all content while we're out here. Also, look at this sunset, y'all. Look at that. That is so beautiful. The way it's hitting that water. Oh my gosh.
Yep.
But yeah, guys, we're gonna catch y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more things we got planned this year. 2021 will be a year for success, prosperity, laughter, happiness, and just mountains and mountains of possibilities, y'all. Y'all want something, go ahead and get it. It's never too late. Yeah, guys, like I said, we'll catch y'all next video. We love y'all. BB Gang, we're out.
Yes, sir.